everyone, me again, actually same day, talking about a different idea, but since we were over here we figured we'd shoot another video, which is lean in and of itself. So if you pan over this way, you'll see that there's the job site. You see a lot of stuff going on over there. All the way to the north is our north entrance. That's where most everything comes in at, but we have a south entrance. So over here on Helen Street, you see the same truck that we had in the other video with the trailer, rebar truck. Right now we only have a 10-foot lane width. Eventually we'll be able to get the parking spaces that are over there on the south, and that's actually happening on May 14th, and then everything will move south 8 feet, so we'll have more space. But this is our south entrance, and you can see our mini tower crane. We call it Little Blue. This one over here covers the south half of the job, and we have the ability to mobilize materials into the site, into the south part of the site with this crane, because eventually you see the hydro inside the hole. We won't be able to use that because we'll have to move north with slab on grade. So the lean improvement was, it started because I hate rebar. Rebar is on everywhere. They're like little gremlins. They grow piles everywhere. They're in the way. You have to move it. I absolutely hate rebar, almost as much as I hate sand on the job site. Anyway, so what I don't like is when rebar is laying around, it gets in the dirt, it gets rusted, we have excess, and it's just an absolute nightmare. And lean means that we don't have inventory, and we try and keep things just in time, and we try and reduce defects with inventory that we have to have. And so I went to the CMC plant. They're doing the reinforcing, and then they hired Amex to do the installation. So I went up to Phoenix to the CMC plant. I was trying to figure out how we could do this. Could we bundle rebar in smaller bundles? Could we color code it? What could we do to get it more just in time? And one of the things that they allowed us to do, because I went and did a go and see and went to the CMC plant, is they agreed to drop the trailers. And I know that this isn't new to most of you and to most of the experienced superintendents, but they agreed to drop the trailer. So this trailer came in yesterday. We are going to unload it today, so it's a day before we actually need it. And when we're done with it, the truck will come from Phoenix and pick it up. And so that doesn't seem very lean because we dropped a trailer. But here's what typically happens. Typically the trailer comes, we have to tie up the crane, we have to unload it, and we have to go put it out there on the job site, and then it's sitting somewhere. We don't have room on the job site to go do that. So leaving the trailer here allows us to take it and move it once where it needs to go. And as long as it's bid into the project and we've talked to the rebar suppliers, it's an okay thing. So this is beautiful. So this afternoon we'll be able to take this, put it where it goes, when we need it, just in time, and then when the next just-in-time delivery comes, they'll come down here and drop the new trailer and take the empty one. So this was a product of go and see with the rebar folks to get rid of a problem which we always have, which is having rebar all over the job site, causing wasted motion, wasted inventory, defects, things being in the way, the whole nine. So this is safer, more productive, really tailors to our job site because we have a curb-to-curb job site. And so that's the lean improvement, to go do a go and see, talk to our suppliers, and see if they can better supply materials when we need it the way we need it. Thank you all very much.